The midterm miracle is the typically profitable 9-month period following October of a midterm election year. Given the stock market gains recorded in the 9 months since last October, that trend played out as expected. And the nice thing about the time frame, says Ken Fisher, is that it's usually followed by another strong period. Maybe not quite as fruitful, but still profitable. So, what is Ken Fisher buying in preparation? Among other stocks, Fisher is buying UnitedHealth Group, which is a diversified healthcare organization that offers a wide array of services and solutions to individuals, employers, and government organizations. The company has a substantial presence both nationally and globally and is one of the world's top 10 firms in terms of revenue, generating $324 billion last year, and UnitedHealth is on track to exceed that this year. So let's take a quick look. And we're now looking at a 20-year monthly chart on UnitedHealth Group, Inc. And the symbol in the upper left, as you can see, is UNH. And for disclosure purposes, I do not hold any shares of UNH at this time. Now, since 2009, the chart all the way through to the present looks very good. This is one of the best charts you'll probably see. Yes, we did have a dip here 2019, 2020, and we're going through another dip right now, but it looks like it's bottoming and basing. Now, these dips are proportionately very shallow, and you'll see once we get to the oscillators. Moving on down, volume looks fine, and then here into the MACD, you can see what I'm saying is that this was a pretty decent drawdown in the MAC, yet the price chart looks nice. It did have the correction coming on down in the price chart, but it motored on up following that bottoming and basing. Look for a similar bottoming and basing here in the next several months or so, because I think it's going to repeat. Moving down here, definitely in the histogram, this came a lot lower than it did back here, but once again, continue to watch this. It's improving for the last couple of months and will continue to improve. So it's giving you plenty of time to track the fundamentals to make sure that you're interested in the stock. Here, price rate of change, definitely pretty symmetrical with the downdraft here in 2019-2020, not much deeper and very shallow with respect to that zero line. Didn't go very deep. Now, neither did the RSI, and we popped above that 50 or midline, and I expect this to recover and head on up. Same thing there with the stochastics. Again, just barely punching through that midline because it's a strong company. Same thing in Williams. Williams is above 50. Watch the Williams, see if it heads up into that negative 20 to 0 territory. Moving back on up into the price chart. One more look. And there it is. Once again, these downdrafts are relatively shallow. It's a strong stock. So, as usual, the risk is all yours. ChewDog out.